let's talk about your typical daily operating Atlas AT400. Typical club scenario or use scenario in general for anybody. You're going to want to be able to adjust the angles. You're going to want to be able to adjust the speed of which the target is thrown or distance the target is thrown, and loading the machine with clays. We're just going to go over those features. Moving the machine. It's on its cart. So number one, always assume the machine is cocked coming up to it. In order to do any of those features, you got to decock the machine. So we're going to come up to it and do the toggle switch down. Machine fire, unhooking it from power. So now it's safe to transport. And with Atlas's cart, it has a really long tongue for you to lift and a good sized handle. You can move your machine and set your target presentations with the battery on. It's not too bad, but it also makes it really easy to move the machine if you just take your battery off. So that allows you to pick your cart up. I'm just using 2 fingers. That makes it really light how our angles are, no rotation where the cart is to the machine. Even full of clays, I can do this with my just 2 fingers. It makes it really light and easy to maneuver around. So typical scenario, you're going to be moving your machine to where you need it, and then you're just going to put it down, bring your battery back over, put it in the tray. So now we know the machine is decocked. It's in the position that we kind of need it. So now we're going to change the angles. So changing the angles on an AT400 is the easiest thing that you can do. You don't need any tools for it. It's super user friendly with our levers here. So you have 2 levers. One here, this is going to adjust your tilt angle, and then this lever here is going to adjust your vertical up and down. And with our levers, you can actually pull them out, and they're on a cog, so you can rotate it where it's easiest for you to get to loosen it and tighten it on both of these. So I want to change the angle of this machine. So I want to have it go up really high, and then I want to tilt it over a little bit. So I'm going to loosen this. I'm going to put it in a comfortable position for me. And notice I'm in front of the machine. It's semi-decocked, so I'm safe to be in front of it. It's unhooked from the battery, so I can be in front of this machine and adjust my angle. So I'm just going to pull the lever back to loosen it. I'm going to ratchet it so I can get another turn on it. Now it's loose enough for me to push it back and set my angle. The machine will go way back. If you go this far back, gravity is not going to allow this to feed. But the reason why we put that over center where it can go further back is just in case you're on like a downhill or something where you're not going to be able to get your presentation because you were limited on your angle. So we allow the machine to go further back, but if you're on flat ground, this would not feed. You have to have some angle to the machine in order to have it be able to work. So about right there, you could probably even get away with this right here. That's pretty much going to almost throw a teal target presentation. So once you have the spot that you like it at, then you're just going to come back to the lever and then ratchet it where you need it, push down, and hand tight and putting your weight on it should be enough to hold the angle. We don't like to see people using hammers or anything like that. It doesn't take a lot to lock these down. We have on the machine, there's an aluminum plate here, and on our ratcheting levers, there is a big nut with teeth on it that grips into that aluminum. So that allows it to get tight, set the angle, but it'll crunch into that aluminum, not allowing it to slip. So you don't have to get too crazy when you set those angles. Now we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to set its angle. So I'm going to loosen it. Use my right hand. So we got that loose. Now we're going to lean it a little bit, and we can lean it both ways if we like. This machine will fire both ways. So you're not limited on which angle you can do. Some machines won't allow you to lean it over to the right. So our machine will fully function all the way over. Any angle, it will work. So find the angle you need, and then just lock it down using the lever, put it in a position that you like where you can lean on it and put your weight on it and tighten it, and you're good to go. Really fast and easy operation. You can set your course super fast compared to our competitors. So now that we have our angled set,